Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change page margin to wide in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to change the paper or the page margin to wide. Go to the page layout menu, select the margin drop down menu. We can see here the wide margin. Now I am select this. Then go to the file menu, select the print option. And we can see we change the page margin to wide in Excel very easily. You can change the size of the page. Select the size drop down menu. You can select the letter. Otherwise you can make the size, orientation, landscape, portrait, etc. Now we can see we change paper margin to wide easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.